Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook keeps stopping. To know how to fix Facebook keeps stopping, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. You will go to apps, then Facebook. And after that in this page you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache. After that you will go to click clear data, and then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.